I have to add a nailer right here. I didn't do that when I did the bedroom. I didn't think I really knew what I was doing on this side, but one thing I want to watch out for is wires like this one right here. And just make sure I steer clear there. And I believe that is the only wire. And instead of taking all this insulation out, what I'm going to do is just grab some 3/4 and tuck it in here, get it even. And I'm going to try and run some screws right here and get this tight. This is just a nailer for the drywall. I'm just going to use some drywall screws to attach it, just like this. Make sure I'm out of the way of that wire. Yep. Another one down here. Make sure that gets sucked in tight here. Tuck this one in. Come on. Luckily, I did the electrical, so I know exactly where there are and are not wires. These gaps are fine as long as I measure down and at 48 inches, as long as I have something to screw to. So that's perfect.